Hey everyone, Dana here. I'm about ready to do a bunch of glue ups and I need some more Endgrain glue ups for my inlays. And you know, it takes a long time, as I have explained in previous videos, and if you haven't watched that video, I'll leave a link to it in the part above here on how to make an Endgrain cutting board, or how I make an Endgrain cutting board. But I am very fortunate that I live in an area within 5 miles I can get any kind of lumber I need. Walnut, maple, oak, all of it. No exotics, rarely, but I can get the typical pieces of material that I want to build furniture from and or cutting boards. So I came across this find. A friend of mine, an Amish friend, who makes cutting boards. He makes specifically long grain walnut, clear, can't have any blemishes. I went over to his shop because I needed some walnut for this inlay project. I saw a pile of cutoffs. This is what they look like. They are walnut boards that he had glued up and sized, and this is the piece he cut off. And he was putting them in his wood stove. And I went, no! Don't do that. How much do you want for all those? And he gave them to me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut enough off of these glue ups so that I could make a 1/2 inch thick at least for an inlay. Glue them all up, cut them all. That's what I'm about to start doing. I'm going to use my table saw and I'm just going to saw the bat off and then go through. I'm going to take it from the lowest part, so it'll give me the biggest yield, and then I will just cut them off, and then we'll just size them all up to what I have and go from there. Okay, so all that sawing is done. It just took me about an hour. I've got 62 pieces. They are all approximately 15 inches long, and they're 1.5 inches wide. So a good amount of inlay material for sure. I've got some 1 3/4, 1.5, 1 1/4, 1 inch, and I have 1/2 inch. So pretty cool for free, right? Pretty cool idea. If you have Amish in your area where you're woodworking, and if you haven't already, go make friends with them. They're great people. They love to please, they love to help, and they love the friendship. I know I do. So yeah, go check them out. Hey, until next time we talk, be safe out there.